Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have this is nice algebraic expression 6 divided by 6 divided by 6 divided by 6. So we write this algebraic expression into the lowest form. So here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. We need to show all of the working here. But first I can explain some common mistakes which students can do in the exams. So if you, students can just first divide these two values, 6 divided by 6 becomes 1, and this divided by 6 divided by 6 is also 1, and 1 divided by 1 is equals to 1. But this is the wrong answer. Okay, this is not a correct way to solve this type of problem. So here I can give you a nice technique in which we can easily or correctly solve this problem. So here first we copy down given question statement here. And now if you have this type of divisions, then we can solve the divisions from left side to right side. Okay, you remember only one thing is that we solve the terms from left to right. It means that first we can solve this division sign. Okay, so you know that 6 divided by 6 is equals to 1, and we write all the other terms as it is in this way. And now again you see that 1 divided, now we solve these two terms, and we have 1 divided by 6 is equals to 1 over 6, and this is divided by 6. So here we use the nice division rule. You know that if we have a divided by b and the denominator of this b is 1, then we just multiply, we just change this division sign to multiply, and we take the reciprocal of this term, and this will be written as 1 over b. So according to this rule, we write this term as 1 divided by 6, and we first change this division sign to multiply, and you see that the denominator of this term is 1, so we write it as 1 divided by 6. So now we multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So we get 1 times 1 becomes 1, 6 times 6 becomes 36. So this is our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.